Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another Middle Eastern brand, and this one is called Beit al-Bakhoor, or House of Incense. This is a subsidiary of Afnan, which is quite well known by now, from the UAE, from the Middle East. And I bought one fragrance from them before and I was so impressed I had to get another one. And in this video I am going to unbox the one is called Beit al-Bakhoor, and this is Dahaab Saafi. Dahaab Saafi, which means pure gold basically in Arabic. This is Eau de Perfume 100 ml, and you can, in United Kingdom you can find it for under £20. And let's go and unbox it and see how it smells. But before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, if you find it entertaining or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you help me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so very nice box. It's golden with a nice design on it, and it says Dahaab Saafi from Beit al-Bakhoor 100 ml Eau de Perfume. And let's go with the bottle. Attention to detail as always with Middle Eastern brands. For the what you pay on the £20 is amazing. Look inside it, it's just gorgeous. Look at that. It's just attention to detail is everywhere. Okay, so this is the box, and look at this beautiful, very heavy bottle, super heavy bottle, gold all over, and there's a Beit al-Bakhoor logo here. Round it is beautiful, it's like a embossed or design with beautiful flowers. Very heavy cap. And the atomizer is, look, here we go, very good atomizer. So far so good. So how is the smell? Here we go. First impression. Sweet, mamma mia, this is a sweet one. Yeah, the first thing it hits me in the face is the sweet, and it's very sweet. So for the first sniff, this is between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest. This is around 9, so very sweet. Quite jammy. Rose. A little bit of fruitiness. The fruit is like peach. Yeah, stone fruit, peach, or what's the other one is called? Oh god, not plum, the other one. Anyway, so it's quite peachy, but it's very gourmand. It's got a tiny bit of chocolatey feel to it as well. This is for first impression, but so far it's amazing smell. No alcohol, no harshness, no synthetic. I mean, obviously this price point is going to be synthetic, but the beauty of it is smells so natural, you know, at least to the nose, at least the impression of the natural is very good. Very good. So far sweet. That's the biggest player, so it's most likely it's coming from the vanilla or tonka bean in here, so maybe it's a combination of vanilla and tonka bean. Yeah, because it's got a little bit of tiny bit of that nutty feel to it as well. And also the second thing you will hit, which is the biggest player, is the rose. So it's rose, and the rose is quite jammy in here. It's quite a sweet rose. It's not a dark rose, it's not a bright rose, it's just in middle of rose, which is jammy sweet rose. and it's got a little bit of peachy feel to it. It's fruity, as I said, there's like a stone fruit peachy, and little bit of chocolatey feel to it, or caramel feel, chocolate caramel, little bit. But overall, what a smell! Very seductive, very sensual. Um, so right now, for the first impression, it is unisex, but it leans a little bit on the feminine side. Okay, but if you like this kind of fragrance, it doesn't mean anything. I love rose, so it doesn't mean anything to me. I will wear it happily. As always, if you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. It doesn't matter what market it towards. Okay, so marketing is just a BS, because smell doesn't have gender, it doesn't have sex. Anyway, so but to be, you know, very blunt and, you know, just people who care about these things, yes, it leans a little bit towards feminine. So if it's say 50-50, it will be like 60% towards feminine, 40% towards masculine. Okay, it's got underlying powderiness to it as well. I'm not sure, is it iris in here or maybe lavender, but it's just a little bit of powderiness and tiny bit of smokiness, very tiny amount right now. Tiny bit of backbone of woodiness, but not much, again, tiny bit. So overall, for a first impression, what a smell! Very sensual, very sexy, very quite opulent, very good for going out, very good for dates, very good for close encounters, special occasions and things like this. But smell very good. It's got a little bit of camphorous feel to it, like a green note in the background. I'm not sure where that come from. Maybe there's a maybe there's a bit of vetiver in here, or maybe there's patchouli in here, giving a little bit of earthy, leafy, resin feel to it. But overall, what a smell for first impression, first sniff. Wow, wow, wow. And under £20. Ooh, that is a bargain. What a smell. And the smell is so natural smelling. I am baffled. How do they do it? I don't know. But good for us consumers. I paid under £20 for this, and I think it's worth every penny. In the next video, I'll let you know development, longevity, and things like this. And also, it reminds me of many other fragrances from Middle East, because obviously this is Middle Eastern fragrance. This is very traditional Middle Eastern, Arabic, Oriental feel to it. Okay, so it reminds me of many other fragrances. But in the next video, if it reminds me of something in particular, I will let you know. But for now, Mamma mia, what a smell, what a quality, what a ratio between what I paid and what I get. It's just absolutely amazing. Ooh. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you like what I do, if you find it informative, useful, entertaining, you know what to do, hit those buttons. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, they are amazing, out of this world, completely unique, nothing on the market like them. Very artistic, very intriguing, but and also super beast mode, ultra beast mode. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the description. I'm a perfumer. I made it myself. Nobody else is involved from scratch to the perfume. It's all about me. So you're getting my own artistic impression of Oriental fragrances, and they're all unisex, by the way. Okay guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.